Hey guys, it's me, Nita. Welcome and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, y'all, I'm gonna share with y'all my newly installed quartz countertops, and then we'll jump right into styling them. Come on, y'all, let's go ahead and get started. This video is partly sponsored by YVETTE Sportswear. They are committed to providing comfortable and stylish professional sportswear for women and have over 20 years of experience in women's sportswear research and development. And so they sent out to me for me to try a few of their pieces. And guys, I have to say that I have had my share of sportswear from all kinds of brands, so I'm very familiar with what constitutes good sportswear. And I must say, they're not lacking. The comfort and support level of these pieces are incredible. What I was most impressed with was the stretch of the material, but also how it provided the perfect support. And the sports bras, guys, not only are they incredibly stylish, but again offers the support for your fitness activities. And the high waist pants offers great tummy and back support, but also with the stretch that gives you easy movement and comfort. Also, what I like about their sports bra is that it covers all of the side boob. YVETTE has an array of sportswear for all types of activities, including yoga, high-intensity interval training, running, etc., as well as a variety of sizes, including plus sizes. And guys, take a look at the flexibility of this material. This is amazing. I'm really impressed with how they have created a sportswear that has stretch, support, and comfort all in one. And guys, this sports bra is my absolute favorite. I love the front zipper, which makes it really easy to put on and take off. I like the fact that it also has adjustable side straps. So guys, all of the information and details on YVETTE Sportswear, I'll have it listed in my description box below, as well as all of the pieces that you've seen me wear in the video. I'll have a link for each piece listed in my description box below. So guys, let's go. Let's get on our journey of being fit and healthy. So go ahead, head over to their site, use my discount code, and let's get started. And thank you to YVETTE Sportswear for sending out these incredible pieces. I really, truly, and honestly love them. Thank you. So here, the hubby and I, we are at the stone warehouse to choose the countertops that we want for our kitchen. Again, we are going with a quartz, and it's just a matter of deciding on which style we want. And ultimately, we ended up going with the Calicotta Munt. So guys, here is a look at the before, and these are my granite countertops, which were in great condition. Also, the style is still a very beautiful style. However, I wanted to go with something a little lighter. And here in this clip, you'll see that the contractors had already come out and they have removed the granite and just preparing the space for the new countertops. And here they are, guys. These are the quartz countertops, and also I was able to get the waterfall on my island, as well as cover the side of the island with the quartz as well. This is such a beautiful feature that I am super well pleased with. I'm glad that I did switch out from the granite to the quartz. I love this style much better. And guys, yes, I do still have my original backsplash, which, you know, I think it works well with the quartz, but again, guys, you know how I am. Hopefully I don't have a change of heart with the backsplash and want to change that out. But for now, I think it'll work. I'm not going to be spending any more money in this kitchen to change out anything. But let's talk about this beautiful Delta sink, guys. This is a workstation sink. I absolutely love it. It's super, super spacious. I love how the center divider does not go all the way up to the top. I love the different accessories that came with this workstation sink. So I'm super excited about it, and I absolutely love it. I love it, love it, love it. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and style these beautiful quartz countertops, and I'll leave you to some music, and I'll see you in the end. Enjoy. Okay guys, so during the tour, please take note of the decor style that I used here in the kitchen. You'll see how I combined the gold and the black metals here in the kitchen, and how I also incorporated the natural and organic elements with the wood pieces. And then you'll also see some jute in the throw rug that's on the floor. And you'll also see some other natural elements around this area as well. You'll also notice how in the candle that's here on the island, it has the little straw or rattan around the edge of that. So, and also here you'll see the eucalyptus plant that sits in a wood vase. But just the little elements make a huge difference, and it also helps to define your decor style. So adding in a number of pieces and strategically placing them in the right place where it's not overwhelming, but it cohesively combines the whole design into one beautiful piece. And that was my objective here in this kitchen. So I hope I accomplished it. Okay, so guys, go ahead and finish watching the video. So y'all, that's it for now. We have made it to the end of the video. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Please, y'all, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, if you enjoyed the video, you should have hit the like button by now. Please, guys, hit that like button. It helps my channel out so much. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you'll be reminded when I drop my next video, y'all. And I just want to say thank you guys so much again for tuning in. And as always, until the next time, stay well, be blessed, and I love you. Bye-bye.